Clove tea, derived from the spice clove, is known for its potential health benefits. Clove has been historically recognized for its bioactive compounds, including phenolics and eugenol, which are believed to stimulate sexual desire. This spice has a rich cultural history, being used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for its various health properties. Clove is a nutritional gem, containing vitamin A, vitamin E, beta-carotenes, fiber, and manganese, crucial for brain function. Its consumption may combat free radicals, contributing to anti-aging effects and addressing metabolic issues. Clove is also renowned for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant properties. Here are 10 potential benefits of drinking clove tea daily. Number 1. Blood sugar regulation. Studies suggest that clove extract can help control blood sugar levels, moderating the rise of glucose levels in diabetic animals. Number 2. Better bone health. Clove may contribute to better bone health by preserving bone mass and increasing bone density and strength. Number 3. Antibacterial properties. Cloves' antimicrobial properties inhibit the growth of bacteria, contributing to oral health promotion. Number 4. Alleviates stomach ulcers. Clove can aid in relieving stomach ulcers by boosting gastrointestinal enzyme secretion and promoting digestion. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Eugenol in clove demonstrates efficacy in preventing oxidative damage, surpassing the antioxidant action of vitamin E. Number 6. Improved liver health. Studies suggest that clove compounds enhance liver function, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Number 7. Fights cancer cells. Clove extract has been found to hinder tumor growth and induce the death of cancer cells, providing protection against chronic diseases. Number 8. Combats bad breath and gingivitis. Eugenol in clove serves as a natural oral anesthetic, aiding in the fight against bad breath and gingivitis. Number 9. Promotes respiratory health. Cloves' anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it valuable in treating respiratory infections and providing respiratory care. Number 10. Improves blood circulation. Cloves' vasodilatory properties, particularly in eugenol, may improve blood circulation by dilating blood vessels. To prepare clove tea, crush 4 cloves and steep them in 1 cup of boiled water for 5 minutes. Alternatively, use 1 to 1.5 grams of clove powder for the same amount of water. Clove tea can be consumed up to 3 times a day. Despite its potential benefits, caution is advised. Pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and children under 6 should avoid clove. Those with allergies and individuals scheduled for surgery should also exercise caution. Clove essential oil, in particular, may cause skin reactions and irritations. Remember that moderation is key to enjoying the benefits of clove without exposing oneself to risks. This information is for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe and write yes in the comments. Until next time, stay healthy and safe.